Hi everyone and to aspirants student drivers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I made a short video about turning left or right at intersection. But first obey important rules. When turning left or right at any intersection, you must give way to any pedestrians crossing the road you are turning into. So sit back and relax and watch my very short video. Thank you. Please subscribe and like and share to your friends. Always stop in stop signboard, okay? And turn quarter more right and accelerate little. Keep accelerating, then let go the steering wheel. Let go. Patrol. Go right. You're going in. It means you don't have to stop. Just slow down, make it 20, brake little bit, then let go the brake, cover the brake pedal, then accelerate now and let go the steering wheel. Yes. Let's go right again. See the board? Can you see the board stop sign?
Yeah.
Okay, stop there at the corner, check your left, right, and turn quarter round only. That's it. Then let go the steering wheel. Slow, gradually also, gradually. Again right. You always stop sign or you always stop. At least 2 seconds, huh? Turn right. Yes, turn, check left, check right, turn quarter round right. Then let go the steering wheel and patrol little bit. Patrol while the car becoming straight. Step on the gas little bit. Just a little gas, huh? One more right here. Yeah, stop for about 2 seconds. Turn right now, half round. Check left. Okay, check right and proceed. Turn and then turn quarterly. Yes. Step on the gas. Yes. Okay, now you know how to turn right, huh? Now let's go left. Okay, when going left, remember you always check your center mirror, then your side mirror, to see if no one trying to overtake you from left. And slight brake and leave the brake now. Then let go the steering wheel and step on the gas. Step on the gas little bit. Yes. Remember those line in the middle, that means the road is two-way traffic. Yellow light means two-way traffic. Now let's go left. Now we are entering this main road. You have to stop completely and check your left very well and the right. Okay, there's a car approaching. Okay, then later, then when you going to turn the steering, remember your front vehicle should reach the center of the road. When the car reaches the center of the road, you turn the steering one round left. Okay? But you turn the steering a little bit faster, not too fast. Okay? Okay, watch out the vehicle from left and right. See if you have the chance. Move your head 1 second left, 1 second right. Okay, now move and turn now immediately. Now, one round, enough. Then let go the steering wheel when the car becoming straight. That's it, huh? Just remember the reference point, huh? So you will keep practicing, so you will get used to it. Now we are in the main road. We'll turn left there. You slow down. There's a vehicle. Okay, let him. If the vehicle stop first, let him go first. Okay. Cut down now. Yes. Okay. Every stops, you check mirror. Keep going. Now can you see the signboard there?
Yes.
It means the road is two-way traffic. So let's go left. Check your left indicator on, right, and move forward a little bit and cut immediately one round left. That's it. Then let go the steering wheel. Just loosen up, no? It's easy to turn it. It will rotate by itself. Just maintain your speed 20 when you are turning left. Because if you don't put speed, the steering wheel will not rotate back. Okay? If the steering wheel doesn't turn back by itself, you just help in little bit, then accelerate, then you let go. That's the technique. Okay? Okay, let's go left. Now we are about to cross. Okay, you check the left traffic. Keep your car in the center. You check left, right. Okay, forward a little bit. Your front vehicle reaches the line. Cut one round, enough. Let go the steering wheel. Yes. Okay, that's it. Yeah, keep practicing, huh? Practice. So you will get used to it. Alright? Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Please do consider subscribing and like and share to your friends. Thank you.